Okay, another iron. Let's play e4. I think Smith-Morra Smith has been doing alright. I'll take knight f3, I think. More aggressive square for the knight. I'll keep this pawn here and play just bishop g5. Right. Can I go for e5, I wonder? No. Was there a plan of b4? Maybe that could be useful, b4. Or h3 first, just in case this bishop has to be tucked on h2. Oh, he's not letting me do that. Right. It's going to be g5 coming up. b4, g5. It's going to be awful, forcing a knight sack. I'll get repaired for that somehow. b4. No. Knight c4, that's d5. I'll go for knight c4. In fact, is that really, really grim? g5, just play bishop g3? I think it might be. This takes. I'll put a knight over here. I've accelerated a queenside attack now with b4. Okay. I suppose knight g5 is out of the question. Takes. The knight moves back to f6. Looks interesting. I think I'll go for it. I don't like this knight g3 business. I mean, knight takes g3 if I move the bishop back. So queen is on. How can I get an attack here? Knight d5 maybe, or just queen f3 for the moment as knight e5. f4 and there's queen b6. And I could move the king. So f4 for the moment and move the king. Depriving e5. Okay, can move that back. There's knight d5 coming up. This is either bishop f6. Oh my god, potentially e5 takes bishop h7, takes queen h5, then there's nothing. Is it worth keeping the tension? Bishop g3, maybe. So I might be playing e5 one day. Don't know about this. e5 and queen e4. Try and eye this. Okay, I'll lock in this bishop on c8. It's got bishop h4. Knight g4. Oh, what's this? Skewering, okay, simplifying. Preparing to take, I suppose. Still, if I can get knight d5 in. Oh, knight f6 is annoying. I just take queen h5. And rook e3. Try that. Rook e3 to g3. Bit of pressure still. This bishop's blocked out. That's the important thing. Alright, so check king e7. No, there's no check. Well, I might as well do this anyway. Rook g3. Queen h7. Or rook g8. Queen h7. Threatens rook g6 actually. Yeah. Rook g6. Let's go play that, playing rook h8. Rook g6 here. It's rook h8. Rook g7 stops. Anyway, rook h8. So I'll do that. And bishop e2 to h5. There's always knight d8. Maybe g4, g5 is better. g4, g5 is interesting. I've got time for that. Well, given that this is academic, g4, yeah, d5. Okay, g5 and f6, maybe. So f6 here. Is there anything stronger? Why don't I take on d5? Oh, what about rook g6? Rook g6 here. Okay. If I play rook a6, I'll be threatening f6. As rook a6 is rook b6. So f6 is no good. Rook a6. I'll play that anyway. Oh, there's queen f2. No, this is all going out of control. Right, bishop back. Let's play bishop g2 maybe. So f6, the king's escaping. Alright, rook a6. Let's try and play f6. Let's rook b6. f6. King d6. That's pretty good too. Ouch. This says, threats of queen f6, queen e5. Yeah, that's ominous. Queen f6 at least. Let's rook d6 now. Could be dangerous. I've got a draw. Repeating position. Given these 2 4 4 2. I think I should offer a draw. Yep. That was a lucky escape for a draw. But did I miss? I should have just done e takes d5. When you played d5, which I anticipated, why can't I just take here? So it says e4. Take there, e4. So it takes queen e5. So that was a bit cool. That was. So this gave me a bit of hope. There's queen g7. I don't know. An inaccuracy by him to allow this perpetual, surely. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.